This little beauty has everything. It's a sweet, icy cold, creamy chocolate treat, super indulgent with an extra bit of whipped cream and chocolate biscuits. Start by placing 350 ml of M&S Higher Welfare Whole Milk, 1 scoop of M&S Collection Ultimate Chocolate Ice Cream, 2 tablespoons of M&S Belgian chocolate sauce, 4 ice cubes, and 1 outrageously chocolatey dark chocolate round into a blender and whiz until smooth. Drizzle 3 tablespoons of chocolate sauce around the inside of 2 milkshake glasses. Pour in the blended chocolate milkshake and add 1 further scoop of ice cream to each glass. Squirt the dairy cream over the ice cream and sprinkle with a roughly chopped, outrageously chocolatey dark chocolate round. Cut the rounds in 2 and place the halves onto the whipped cream. Poke a straw or 2 into each one because you're going to suddenly have lots of new friends. I've got loads more recipes using the best of British produce from the M&S farms I've been visiting. Click the link for some seasonal inspiration.